Hello students, this video is based on the chapter Our Changing Earth. So our Earth consists of a number of landforms. As we live on the surface of the Earth, so it seems that these landforms are static, whereas the whole Earth is actually dynamic. The plate tectonic theory, the continental drift theory, explains this dynamism of the Earth. According to the continental drift theory, all the present continents millions of years ago were a part of a single huge landmass called Pangaea. It was a supercontinent, and with the passage of time, the Pangaea split into pieces. According to the plate tectonic theory, these pieces of broken lithospheric slabs are known as plates. They are actually massive, irregularly shaped, solid rock, generally composed of both continental and oceanic lithosphere. There are 7 major and 20 minor plates along the earth. In this picture, you can see the major plates of the earth. Now let us know what is plate tectonics. These lithospheric plates move horizontally. The molten magma of the upper mantle is the cause of their movement. This molten magma inside the earth moves in a circular way, leading to the dynamism of the plates. But these plates move very slowly, generally a millimeter per year, and hence we cannot feel the movement. Now the question is, what is plate boundary or plate margin? Plate boundary or plate margin is actually the boundary between two different plates. So along these plate boundaries, all the plate tectonic movements occur, and we can divide the plate boundaries into 3 different types. One is the divergent plate boundary, one is convergent, and another one is the transform plate boundary. Convergent plate boundary is that boundary when two plates move towards each other or two plates converge along a line. So due to this convergent plate movement, one plate overrides another plate. Here you can see that the Pacific plate overrides the Eurasian plate. In this picture you can see that the Indian plate is overridden by the Eurasian plate. If you notice this slide carefully, you can see that the Indian plate, the part of the Indian plate, due to the overridden Eurasian plate, is broken into the magma, and that's why the crust is lost. So for this reason, the convergent plate boundary is also called the destructive plate boundary. Due to the confrontation of the plates along the convergent plate boundary, fold mountains formed on the earth's surface. Now let us discuss about the divergent plate boundary. Divergent plate boundary means when two plates go away from each other. So these divergent plate boundaries actually they are called the constructive plate. So due to this divergence, there is continuous upwelling of molten lava, and thus new oceanic crust is formed continuously. There is another type of plate boundary or plate margin, that is transform boundary, and here two plates slide past one another along transform faults, and thus crust is neither created nor destroyed. So this was all about Earth's movement along the plate margins. So thank you very much, students.